I want you to look at this. He's getting the oil and putting the oil back in at the same time. Look at that. Look at the back of his truck. Look at that. Ain't that something? Just look at that. Just look at that. It got the numbers counting over here. So this is what this is getting into. Oh, waste. This is your waste. I see it wrote right there. Ain't that something? Boy, I wouldn't want to be standing next to that and it pop loose. Damn oil to go everywhere. It's a dirty job, but you keep it clean.
Got to.
You know how not to spill that shit. I bet you spilled some once before, probably.
I have.
When you started off.
Yeah, it was about a year in.
Learning things.
One of the inside plungers didn't work, and it overfilled into the floor, onto the floor.
Yeah. After you learn something, you learn it.
Plus, when I was pulling out the waste, I had to clean some junk out of the terminal there. My rag came out of the hole, and it spilled like 20 pounds of waste on the sidewalk.
Yeah. Well, you got it clean right now. Good job. Thank you for letting me videotape it.
So we do all kinds. We got Whataburger on another truck. We got Burger King on another truck. We do lots of restaurants. I'm getting ready to head to Branson.
But this one does multiple restaurants. It does multiple different restaurants.
Oh yeah. Most restaurants take the boat.
Wow.